Did you know that over 150 million gallons of fuel vanish into thin air yearly because of faulty gas caps? In fact, 1 in 5 vehicles on the road needs a new one. Ignoring this small replacement will not only hurt your fuel savings, but can also damage your engine. But don't worry, in this video, you will learn a dead simple gas cap trick that can make your engine run like it just rolled off the lot. Let's dive in, but first, let me show you why your gas cap matters. It seals the EVAP system. Your gas cap is what keeps that whole system airtight. Without it, or with a bad seal, vapors slip out, and your car's computer quickly notices. That's when you get those annoying check engine lights. So when the gas cap does its job, it helps protect the environment and keeps your car from flagging unnecessary problems. Next, it protects your fuel economy by preventing vapor loss. Even when your car is parked, fuel doesn't just sit there, it builds up vapor inside the tank. If the cap is loose or worn out, that vapor leaks into the air. According to the Department of Transportation, you could lose up to 30 gallons of gasoline per year from a loose gas cap. And finally, it helps the engine maintain the correct air-fuel mixture. Modern engines are picky. They need the right balance of air and fuel to run smooth. If vapors leak, the sensors get confused, and the engine can't figure out the right mix. That's when you feel rough idling, sluggish acceleration, or even random stalls. Now that you know why the gas cap matters, let's talk about the simple fixes that can bring your engine back to life. Doing this to your gas cap will make your engine run like new again. Number 1, replace a cracked, worn, or damaged gas cap. Your gas cap does more than just cover the fuel tank. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the pressure inside the fuel system. When it's cracked or worn out, it can no longer form a proper seal. This lets air leak in, disrupting the delicate fuel-air balance your engine relies on to run efficiently. The result? Rough idling, hesitation, and even surprise stalling. You might also get that dreaded check engine light, all from this tiny part. Worse, fuel evaporates into the air, lowering your mileage and raising your costs. Luckily, replacement is quite manageable, about $112 to $124, including the labor cost. No tools or mechanics are involved, just a fresh seal and restored engine pressure. When replacing your cap, it's smart to upgrade to an ethanol-safe version. Fuels like E10 and E15 pull moisture that can swell ordinary rubber, leading to sticky caps and poor sealing over time. Look for one marked Viton lined or E-fuel compatible. These higher-grade materials resist swelling, keep the seal tighter, and hold up better in hot weather. If there is nothing visibly wrong with your gas cap, try the next tip instead. Number 2, clean the gas cap and filler neck. If your engine isn't running like it used to, your dirty gas cap could be the reason. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime collect on the gas cap and around the filler neck. This buildup prevents the cap from sealing tightly, which lets air into the fuel system. That air disrupts pressure and throws off your engine's fuel-air balance. All you need to clean it is WD-40 and a cloth. Here is how to clean the gas cap and filler neck. Step 1. Pop the cap. Twist open your gas cap and remove it completely. This isn't just about fueling up, it's about giving that cap the spa day it deserves. Step 2. Spray the cloth, not the car. Lightly mist the WD-40 onto the cloth, not directly on the gas cap or filler neck. You want control, not a greasy mess. Step 3. Wipe the gas cap gasket. Focus on the rubber ring underneath the cap. This gasket creates the seal your fuel system depends on. Clean it thoroughly to restore flexibility and sealing power. Step 4. Clean the filler neck threads. Look inside the fuel opening. See those grooves? That's where the gas cap locks in. Wipe away all dust, grime, and gunk hiding in the threads. This keeps the seal tight and prevents sticking. Step 5. Lock it in. Once everything's clean, Screw the gas cap back on until it clicks. That satisfying click means your seal is back in action. However, cleaning and replacing the cap will not help if you use the wrong type. Number 3, install the correct type of gas cap. Not all gas caps are created equal, and using the wrong type can throw your engine into chaos. Cars are designed to work with either a vented or a non-vented gas cap. Mixing them up can lead to serious performance issues. If your car needs a non-vented cap, but you install a vented one, fuel vapors escape and the system loses pressure. On the flip side, using a non-vented cap on a system that needs venting can create pressure buildup. This might strain your fuel pump or disrupt airflow to the engine. In both cases, the engine ends up running outside its ideal settings, resulting in poor performance and lower fuel economy. Many aftermarket caps look the same, but function differently. So don't just grab a universal fit cap off the shelf. Check your owner's manual for the exact specs. If you're unsure, ask a trusted mechanic or parts specialist. And sometimes, the issue isn't the cap or its type, but how well it tightens. Number 4, fix or replace a loose gas cap. If your cap doesn't tighten fully or spin click into place, it's likely too loose to seal anything. That lets vapor leak out and air leak in. The system loses pressure and the engine gets confused. This can trigger your check engine light and ruin your emissions test. Your fuel economy will suffer, and your engine might feel sluggish or uneven. The solution is simple. If it feels loose or won't click, replace it. It's fast, cheap, and can fix problems instantly. Number 5, give the gasket a silicone vitamin. A dry gasket loses its spring and can't seal tight. Once a year, wipe a pea-sized dab of clear silicone dielectric grease around the rubber ring. Then twist the cap on and off a few times. The grease keeps the rubber supple, stops micro cracks, and helps the cap click home even in freezing weather. Number 6, replace the rubber gasket. The thin rubber ring around the cap is what creates the airtight seal your fuel system needs. Over time, this gasket can dry out, crack, or flatten. When that happens, it can't hold pressure and your engine starts to suffer. The good news? If the plastic body of the cap is still in good shape, you can simply replace the gasket. This saves you money and still gives you the performance boost of a proper seal. Swapping the gasket takes just minutes and usually requires no tools. Just peel off the old ring, slide on the new one, and you're done. A fresh gasket restores pressure inside the tank. That helps your sensors work correctly and keeps fuel vapor from leaking out. You'll also avoid check engine lights and fuel loss from evaporation. Your engine will run smoother, and your fuel economy can improve by as much as 2%. Think that tiny rubber ring was a game changer? Check out our video on 17 car repair secrets that will save you $3,000. Before you race off, let's make sure your gas cap isn't already causing trouble under the radar. How do you spot a bad gas cap before it messes with your engine? Step 1, the click test. Tighten your gas cap like you normally would. A healthy gas cap will click several times when it locks into place. If you don't hear any clicks, or if the cap feels loose even after tightening, that's a clear warning sign. No click means the seal isn't locking properly, and a loose fit can cause the same trouble. This matters because without that locking seal, fuel vapors can escape. When vapors leak, your engine senses a pressure loss and triggers the check engine light. You might even fail an emissions test later without realizing the real cause. By the way, before we move to the next test, if you find this video useful and want more tips like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's move on. Step 2, gasket inspection. Look closely at the rubber ring on the inside of the gas cap. This gasket is what creates the seal against the filler neck. If it's cracked, dried out, or missing chunks, it can't do its job. If the rubber feels brittle or looks damaged, It's time for a replacement. Some gaskets can be replaced separately, but often it's easier to get a new cap. Step 3. Vacuum test. A $15 handheld vacuum pump lets you know in seconds if the cap still holds pressure. Pump to 10 inches of mercury and watch the gauge. If the needle drops within 30 seconds, the cap leaks. Swap it before chasing sensors, coils, or injectors that are perfectly fine. Step 4. Smell test. After your car has been sitting for a bit, walk over to the fuel door and take a quick sniff. If you catch a strong whiff of gasoline, that's not just a random smell, it's a warning sign. That gas smell usually means vapors are leaking out, and if vapors are leaking, chances are your gas cap isn't sealing right. Maybe the gasket's worn. Maybe the cap's just tired. Either way, fuel is sneaking away without you even driving. And if your nose can find it, your car's computer can too. Step 5. Using an OBD2 scanner. If you really want to be sure, plug a scanner into your car's OBD2 port. It's usually right under the dashboard. Turn the ignition to on and let it scan. Now, here's what you're looking for. Codes like P0457, P0456, P0442, or P0455. If you spot any of these, don't panic. They almost always point to an EVAP system leak. And 9 times out of 10, it's a loose or faulty gas cap. It's quick, it's simple, and it saves you guessing. Instead of chasing mystery problems, you'll know exactly where to start. Step 6. Check the engine light. Yep, that pesky light almost always shows up when the cap's loose, especially on cars made after '96. But don't freak out just yet. Before blaming your engine, check the cap first. Sometimes, the fix is just one satisfying click away. Who knew your gas cap was a secret hero? Fix it, and your engine purrs like new. Hungry for more under-the-hood magic? Slide over to Doing This Will Make Your Engine Run Like New Again? Also hit that like and tap subscribe for more car-saving secrets.